而家我哋出發搭船，哇 ！Look at that！ 你這邊。Okay, be careful. No, I'm not on the list. Sorry, keep going. Okay.
You hold on to me.
All right, go find your spot on the edge. That's okay, no man. Close enough. Look at that first. 呢度啦，呢度啦。It's close enough, it's fine, you know. Just. If you want to go to the rail, yeah. Okay. Go to the rail. 喺這邊啦 ，OK, we stay here. We stay here. Oh, okay. Vivian, you want to stay here with 姐姐? Of course, it will be.
This way probably would not get any water.
Yeah,
right?
that's good. That's good enough. All the.
Oh, actually, no, you will because you see, this is how wet. Where's your thing? You didn't take one?
Hmm?
You didn't get one?
No. Wow, 哇！呢隻船都未坐滿，一路係咁上緊嚟。哇！
Vivian, why don't you get inside?
Yeah, go inside. You will see.
Take a picture of the children so they remember.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Hornblower Niagara Cruises. May I have your attention, please? This is an important safety announcement. This boat is equipped with all necessary and proper firefighting and life-saving equipment. In the event of an emergency, our trained crew members will assist you with your life-saving equipment. For your safety, life jackets are stored in the labeled storage containers located throughout the boat. Instructions on how to wear life jackets is also clearly labeled on the storage containers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. For your safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold on to the handrail, especially when going up or downstairs and disembarking. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing Hornblower Niagara Cruises.
looking, mami.
As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rock fall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point.
Wow, 已經好埋㗎咯，行到。Can you see that? Can you see those rocks, really? Okay.
나중에 봐. 정리하면 돼. 여기서 이 사진 좀 찍어. 이거 폭포. 이거 좀 보내줘. 와, 멋있다. 너무 멋있다. 이건 진짜.
哇！嗰度行黃色嗰啲行到埋去添喎，可以咁近。近喎。哇！啲海鷗雀仔屎啊會。
Niagara Falls, more specifically, is the name of three waterfalls: the American, the Bridal Veil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty, located between Goat Island and Table Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural world wonder, the Horseshoe Falls name is derived from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls was 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion of Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world taller, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world by volume of water flowing, at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include: the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line,
Wow,
2,200 feet or 670 meters
Can
wide.
you see it? You cannot see
And the
it?
depth of the river at the base of the falls,
Can you see
184 feet or 56 meters deep.
Maybe.
Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Can you see? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? Wow, look at this, amazing. Woo! Wow! Imagine there's someone jumping down from there. Woo! Wow, this is awesome. Wow, look at that. What happened if someone ski bump? It's like, wow, it's amazing. Woo! Woo! We're too close. Oh, yo, yeah. Oh, wet. Oh, yo. Wow. Please. Ay da, subside. Wow, subside. 哎呀，擘鏡頭先。哎呦，yeah, so scared. You see? Wow, look at this side too. Do you see that? Yeah, I said, oh my goodness, this side too. Apa. Wow, this is awesome. Wow. Mimi, did they cover your hair? Wow. Wow, this is waterfall. Yeah. Woo.哇！真係濕晒啦，濕晒係咪濕晒啊？係咪？Alright, God bless iPhone. Woohoo! Waterproof. Wow. Alright, free shower. No need to go shower tonight. Wow.哇！呢邊都有個科㗎，呢度咁樣圍住一個 V 字形咁樣。哇！原來呢度咁鬼，哇咁鬼濕嘅呢度。哇！Ora mi sento anche pano, let's get it. That's okay. Wow. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Oh, you guys went down there with the yellow jacket? Oh, from up there? Okay. Actually, 姐姐 很像 long time ago was take a boat, right? Yeah. Yeah. 我没有带坐过。I don't think so. I never felt this way, so I don't think I ever ride boat. We are at the bottom?
Yeah, the bottom.
Oh, that's lame.
Maybe at the top. You see that?
Wow, can you see the fall now?
Can you see the boat?
Wow.
Really got wet. Wow, it's really powerful here.
I know, yeah. 哦，呢只係美國嗰只啦，美國只細好多喎，好似咁細隻嘅美國嗰只。May of the Mist。啊，都幾個靚係嘛？哦，有個登高塔添喎，呢個。Wow, we'll look at the fall again here. Wow. Okay. You're on the camera right now. Rồi đấy, 加拿大嗰隻船咁撚大隻。揾嘢，咁又冇咗80蚊美金。What are you doing？ 小頑皮。啊，呢個美國嗰邊嘅燈塔瞭望台。
I told you.
为什么你这个拿出来？
No, it fell.
哦， She's so wet.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today aboard Niagara Wonder. We sincerely hope you enjoyed your voyage to the falls. As we approach the dock, please do not move about the vessel and refrain from using the stairs until the vessel is secure. Once alongside the dock, our crew will direct you to either the forward or rear gangways for disembarking. Check to make sure that you have all your belongings and proceed to exit the vessel. Join us dockside for Niagara fine wines, cold craft beers, and a selection of Mist Gourmet Fresh Express culinary creations, or visit our Mist Gear shop for those last-minute items. On behalf of captain and crew, thank you for sailing with Hornblower Niagara Cruises.
Thank you, thank you. Ooh, so green.
No, not my tears. How about Vivian's? Maybe they're soap.
Mommy feels all wet for sure. Okay, be careful, alright? Alright, let's go.
머리 어때? 잘하네.
Okay, what happened? You have some. Watch your steps. Right here. Vivian. You got poncho. 我们去到 hotel 那边再买了，等一下。我们开车的时候，我们买那个 Tim Hortons。I don't think it's a new thing to build. No, no, that's a. They're building a railway train. I mean, instead of elevator, they probably take a train, like a peak. Remember in Hong Kong, we have a peak. We take the train like that. Whistler, yeah, the mountain. Not for a while.